Hi, and welcome to Stripe Technologies continuation on training through Microsoft Teams. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to collaborate on Microsoft Office Suite documents. So that includes things like Excel documents and Word documents. Let's get started. So first, there are a couple of things that I want to point out. The documents, in order to work on documents, they need to be of an Excel, Word document, or PowerPoint file extension. They cannot be some other file like this text document as you see here. We can't collaboratively work on this text document. Now, also, once we upload the file inside of Teams, that is when we can collaboratively work on it with another coworker. We have to work inside of Microsoft Teams or work on the document inside of a browser. If we open the document inside of the desktop application, we will not be able to work collaboratively on it. Also, if we work collaboratively and make changes inside of the Teams application, and let's say we want to email this document, we can go ahead and we'll have to download the document and then send that document via email. So let's get started. In order to work collaboratively on a file, you'll want to upload the document by clicking on the little paperclip down here, selecting Upload from Computer if it's a local file on your computer, or if it's on your OneDrive, you can select OneDrive. I already uploaded the document and sent it to my test account, so what I can do is I can click on that and it will automatically open the Excel document inside of Teams. Now you'll get the generic ability of Microsoft Excel. You'll be able to create tabs, columns, and work around. Now, currently, I am the only person working on this document, and you can tell that because there is no other icon up here. And if we go into editing, you'll see that I am in editing mode. Now, when someone else gets connected to work collaboratively on this document, you'll notice that once Microsoft Office notices that there's a change, you'll notice that the ET popped up and now you can see the logo Strive. If I click on that, you'll see that Eric Thompson is editing N23. We can go to that location and you can also see the user on that box N23. Now, if that user enters any information, you won't be able to see them in real time entering it. You can notice that there are three dots, meaning that they're inputting information. But once they go ahead and click enter, then that information will show up. Vice versa, if I go and enter information into here, then it will show up on theirs. We can do things such as changing the text, inserting tables, pictures, shapes. We can review as well as we can set up formulas and do pretty much everything that Excel allows us to do. We can also add sheets, and as we add a sheet or as somebody else adds a sheet, they will automatically pop up. If we click on the conversation tab, that'll bring up the text chat, allowing us to communicate changes, and that way we don't have to be on a call. We can also call this user with an audio call and be on an audio call while manipulating and changing this document. Now, if we go ahead and close this document and reopen the document, you'll notice that all of the changes will stay there and will be saved inside of the document. The same goes for Word documents. If we click on the Word document, it will open up inside of Teams and we will be able to enter in information. As soon as someone else gets connected, you'll notice that they'll pop up here and then you can see their cursor inside of the document. Now if we jump between the Calls tab and go back into the Chat tab, you'll notice the document goes away and so we'll have to reopen it. All changes will be saved automatically. That is the generics of Microsoft Teams and collaborating and working together on documents. And this ends our Microsoft Teams training tutorial. Thanks.